Prepare to embark on an exhilarating journey into the realm of digital wealth creation. Imagine effortlessly pocketing $50 a day without spending a dime. Picture transforming your spare moments into a stream of cold, hard cash, all while nestled in the cozy confines of your dorm. This revolutionary method revolves around unlocking the secrets to endorsing coveted products and reaping commissions with zero upfront costs. Intrigued? Eager to delve into this uncharted territory of financial possibility? Secure your explorer's hat as we unveil the pathway to turning idle time into a treasure trove of profit. Join us and let the adventure begin. Let's talk affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the digital magic that turns online content into a money-making masterpiece. Simply put, it's a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals, often referred to as affiliates, promote products or services on behalf of businesses. Here's the magic. You are given a unique website address called an affiliate link. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase through it, you get a small cut out of the price. It's like being a digital matchmaker, connecting the right products with the right people, and getting a sweet reward for your matchmaking skills. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in how accessible it is. Students, stay-at-home parents, or anyone with an online presence can dive into this world without a hefty investment. So, whether you are a social media expert or a budding blogger, affiliate marketing opens the door to turning your online influence into good earnings. It's a win-win for you. Your audience gets their hands on a good product, and the business gets some promotion. Semrush Affiliate Program. Alright, now that we're all on the same page about the magic of affiliate marketing, let's zoom in on a gem of a program, the Semrush Affiliate Program. So, what's the scoop? The Semrush Affiliate Program, powered by Impact Radius, is a game changer in the affiliate marketing realm. It operates on a last-click attribution model, which makes sure that you get credit where it's due. This means that regardless of where else your fans might have seen the product, provided your link is the last one clicked before making the purchase, you receive a cut of all the financial juice from the sale. Plus, they sweeten the deal with an impressive 120-day cookie lifespan. Translation? You keep earning commissions for up to 4 months after a potential customer clicks on your unique affiliate link. Who is it for? Whether you're a digital marketing pro, a content creator, or a social media influencer, through Semrush, you can transfer your skills into real cash in no time. Now, while the program has its doors open for everyone, it does have a few favorites. Firstly, if you are already in the digital marketing world, then Semrush has got some big commissions for you. Or if you are a creative person who loves creating content through blogs and videos, then Semrush is the perfect place to cash out your creativity. Now, if you aren't a digital whiz or don't have a big following waiting for your content, then do not worry. Semrush has a place for everyone. But that's not all. They want to see your digital footprint, your website, blog, or the social media spot where you're making waves. The key? A cool 1,000 followers, not just likes, and a place that's buzzing with constant traffic. Sound like a challenge? Think of it more like an all-access pass to the affiliate dreamland. Before we continue, don't forget to affiliate yourself with our subscribe button. This is me also marketing the like buzzer. The sign-up process. Alright, let's talk about signing up. It's as easy as pie. Head over to the Semrush Affiliate Program on Impact, hit that big sign up button, toss in your details, and then, well, get ready to work your magic, because they usually review applications within a day. No need for nail biting. You'll be in the game before you know it. And once you're in, the magic happens on your affiliate dashboard. That's your control center, where you'll find all the tools, stats, and secret passages to affiliate success. The big bucks. Making money. Step 1. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests or expertise, whether it's fitness, technology, or any other area you're passionate about. Step 2. Join affiliate programs related to your chosen niche, where companies offer commissions for promoting their products. Step 3. Create content through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media accounts, focusing on sharing valuable information or insights related to your niche. Step 4. Include your unique affiliate links into your content, ensuring that your recommendations feel genuine and authentic. As you build your audience, encourage them to click on your affiliate links and leverage social media platforms to expand your reach. Step 5. Utilize tracking tools provided by affiliate programs to monitor the presence of your links. Analyze the data to understand what strategies are working and make adjustments accordingly. With consistent effort and strategic promotion, you can gradually increase your daily earnings through affiliate marketing. In reality, affiliate marketing has its fair share of advantages and disadvantages. On the positive side, it boasts a low barrier to entry, requiring minimal upfront investment. It offers flexibility, allowing you to work on your own terms and schedule, and has the potential for passive income as you continue to earn commissions even when not actively promoting. However, challenges exist, including income uncertainty, as earnings can fluctuate, and it takes time to establish a steady income stream. Success is also dependent on the quality of the products you promote and the effectiveness of the affiliate programs you join. So, what is the final verdict? Affiliate marketing can be a convenient option for students seeking a flexible means of earning extra income. While it demands dedication and patience, and success may not be immediate, students can turn it into a rewarding income source with consistent effort. Choosing products wisely, maintaining transparency with your audience, and continuously refining your strategy are crucial aspects to maximize earnings. Alright, money miners, that's the lowdown on the Semrush affiliate program. It's not just a program, it's a witty way of turning your online influence into a digital money-making spectacle. So, whether you're a content creator, a social media whiz, or just someone looking to cash in on their expertise, affiliate marketing can be your golden ticket. For more content like this, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let's keep this money train rolling. Until next time, happy earning!